Come on. It's like it's wearing Spanx or something. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what you get in a $10 Makeup Geek Grab Bag, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so several weeks ago, I went to Makeup Geek's website and ordered myself a $10 grab bag. By the way, I ordered 2 of them because I thought it was just like a random thing, and they were $10. I wanted 2 to, maybe I get a bigger selection. And then I got an email asking if I made a mistake and I didn't read it in time. Anyways, they reduced it to 1. Apparently, all of the $10 grab bags are the same. So save yourself a little headache there. If you were like me and thought, well, $10, I'm going to get more makeup. They are the same. All right, well, let's open this up and see what I got. I do recall watching a few unboxings a month or so ago. I don't remember what they got, and I'm curious if all of them are the same, or at the time I placed my order, the $10 ones were the same. Okay, so I have very light makeup on. I'm wearing mascara, a little black eyeliner up top. I have foundation, concealer, and a little bit of contouring going on. That was intentional because whatever's in this box is going to end up on my face. All right, let's pray I got some stuff that I can wear. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so not too long ago, I did an unboxing video. Don't recall which box. I will link it up above. And I was super excited because it had a Makeup Geek item in it. I believe it was a blush, because I never tried Makeup Geek before. And then the shade was like a wah wah. So I'm hoping one of these 2 items is something I can wear. That is better than what I got before, but still. Ooh, that's bright pink. What is this? All right, so okay. If you saw that shade on the outside of the box, would you presume it's a blush? It says highlighter. Now I'm even more scared, but curious at the same time. What? Why would there be a fuchsia highlighter? Their packaging is beautiful, except for, fingerprints. This is a highlighter in the shade Daybreak. Okay, so many comments. This does not look hot pink, so thank God. But why would you, I don't understand. Too dark for highlighter, but maybe I can use it as a blush or blush topper. All right, well, it's a mystery box that costs $10. Let's see what the other item was. Okay, so are you a blush? What are you? This here is also a highlighter in the shade Sunlight. It literally only has a sleeve, and I can't get the sleeve off. Come on. It's like it's wearing Spanx or something. There we go. Okay. Same or very identical packaging. Okay. So that is even darker. I'm debating whether I should swatch or put away in a giveaway or donate to a women's shelter. Okay, so one is pink and one is kind of bronzy. I could use these as eyeshadows as well. Let me swatch them. Again, it was only $10. Oh, I'm glad I swatched. So here's the first one I shared. That in the pan looked very salmon, but on the skin looks very doable. This is the last one. It is a little coppery and would be fantastic on darker skin tones. But that I could use as like, an eyeshadow topper. Okay, I'm glad I swatched. Okay, what else did I get? Ooh, something else. That looks like it could be a blush. Please, one of these items better be a blush. Ooh, okay, not a blush. This is a empty little kind of mini Z palette. Okay, that will be nice because I'm presuming I'm going to get some little loose magnetic shadows. Ooh, did I get 2 of these? Yes, okay, 2 of those. Wow, already, I mean, this alone is worth $10. So, great value. Okay, I got a brush. This is not part of the $10 grab bag. This was discontinued and on sale for $3. I'm a sucker for a brush, especially if it's $3. And they remind you to please wash your new brushes. I always do that. Well, 99% of the time I do that. Every now and again. I'm doing an unboxing and a try on, and there's a brush sometimes. Okay. So this is, it's like a flat top, not very dense. Ooh, did you see that dust? No wonder they said a bunch of dust flew out of there. But, I don't know. It's a brush. The last item in there is a whole bunch of single eyeshadows. So, let's cross our fingers. They're in shades I like and will wear. The first thing I'm noticing is some are kind of zebra with the white and black, and some have kind of a metallic-y rose gold. I'm curious, is that the difference between mattes and shimmers? So the pans in the rose gold metallic packaging are foiled eyeshadows, and the ones in the zebra black and white are pressed eyeshadow pans. And thank goodness I got 2 standard shades. So one would be a good kind of crease shade, and this would be a good brow bone shade, and then the other 3 are not really up my alley, but maybe I'll try. One's kind of a orangey coral, and then we have 2 kind of purple shades. No, this one's actually kind of a caviar, not quite black, dark kind of caviar color, and this one is very purple. Let me read the actual name. So this is, purple one is Curfew. The coral one is Summer Luvin. The caviar is Midnight Waltz. The off-white brow bone shade is called Mirror Mirror. The taupey brown is called Down to Earth. This foiled shade is called Grandstand. The last one is also a foiled eyeshadow in kind of a lilac purple, and it's called Daydream. Let me take them out of the packaging and get them into those little mini zebra palettes, and then I will show them all at once, do some swatches, and put it on my eyes. All right, those are the 4 I decided to put in this palette. Let's see if I can't get an eye look out of it. Look how much color payoff. All right, let me swatch them. I really like that shade. It's a nice, soft, not super cool tone, but definitely not warm tone. Kind of taupey brown. I like it. All right. That little Z pack and this one eyeshadow paid for the whole bundle. Plus I got a highlighter, which I added. It's the one that looks kind of orange, peachy in the pan. But this is what it looks like on. I'm so glad I was brave enough to swatch that. Because who knew that's what, you know? All right. What are your thoughts? This, looking in the pan, scares me. It's looking fantastic on the cheeks. It makes a great eyeshadow topper, and I used it in the inner corner. These eyeshadows are really good. This one's a little too dark, maybe, but just for this eye look. But I think for $10, I did good. Let me know, did you grab yourself one of these $10 grab bags? I believe they had more expensive ones. And they also had, I want to say, for $20, you could get a loose pigment. I don't know. They had some. They've been out for a while. I'm sure you've all been there, done that. As always, I'm late to the train. But hey, I'm happy for my purchase and glad I can finally say I've tried some Makeup Geek. Let's recap what you get for a $10 grab bag. So I got not one, but two of the 4-pan magnetic little mini Z palettes. Again, not one, but two highlighters. 7 total loose eyeshadows, 5 were mattes, 2 were foils. That's pretty good. $10, that's really good. I'm going to list the grand total on the screen of real retail price versus, you know, so you can see the value of what you get for $10. I also, on my own, paid $3 for a brush. The grand total with tax and shipping and handling, I want to say it was like $18. Can't beat it. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. You know, this does wonders for my channel. I'm at, last I checked, 460, so I'm 40 away from the big 500, and I'm doing a giveaway. So if you haven't checked that out, go to the link above, follow the instructions, and I wish you the best of luck. All right, thank you all, and have a fantastic weekend. Bye, everyone.